I was working in the lab late one night when my eyes beheld an eerie sight. For my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise,
he did the mash.
He did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard smash.
He did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
He did the mash.
He did the monster mash. From my love Natari in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abodes to catch a jolt from my tell them Boris said.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster mash.
The monster mash.
And do my graveyard
Then
smash.
you can mash.
You'll catch on with a flash.
Then you can mash.
Then you can monster mash. Mash fool! Easy, Igor, you impetuous young boy.